Good morning and good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tom, and today I'm going to introduce the Goldberg machine I built in my room. So, first, I will press the button for this fan, and the fan is going to start moving. And because the fan is connected to the block here, when it moves, the block connected to the fan will be pulled away with the movement of the fan. And then the phone here is gonna release after the block here is pulled away by the fan. The phone is gonna slide down all the way to here and hit the glass ball. The glass ball is gonna roll into the cup here. And because there's already weight in the cup, and I decided it's on the edge of the limit already. So when the ball get into the cup, it's gonna break the limit, and then as this pulley is connected to here, this block here is going to pull the weight upwards and release the car with potential energy as it's on inclined angle already, and the cars go down all the way to here and hit the tower. The tower collapsed and release this hanging masses, and the hanging masses fall down and trigger this pulley all the way connected to here. And this pulley is connected to this block, and after the pulley here is triggered, after the hanging masses is fall down, this block is going to be pulled away and cause this tower to collapse. As this tower collapse, this hanging mass is going to fall down, and with the connected pulley here, it's going to pull down the switch and lower the light amount. So at the end of the machine, it's gonna pull down this switch and lower the lights in the room. So let's see how it works. I'm gonna press the button of the fan first. The fan will start moving. Connect the trigger, and the phone starts to slide down. And the vibration caused by the phones hitting the chairs, letting two balls slide into the cup here, and it should be enough to trigger the thing here. Seems like not working. Oh. Working. So, the goal of my machine is to reduce the light in the room using a chain reaction. After being started, the machine operates on its own and demonstrates multiple energy transformations. For step 1, I press a button to start the machine by turning on the fan. Electrical energy is supplied to the fan and is converted into mechanical energy, or you can say kinetic energy, as the fan head starts to rotate. The rotating fan pulls a wire connected to the Jenga blocks and removing the Jenga blocks that was holding the phone in the inclined angle. And once the Jenga blocks are removed in step 1, the phone slides down the steep slope. The phone begins with gravitational potential energy due to its height and the inclined angle, which is converted into kinetic energy after it starts to slide down. The phone then collides and hits the glass ball, transferring the kinetic energy to the glass ball. In step 3, the glass ball rolls into the cup after being hit by the phone. The added mass increases the force on the pulley system, causing it to move. This motion pulls away the Jenga block in front of the toy car and releasing it. In this motion, the kinetic energy from the glass ball transferring into mechanical energy in the pulley system. In step 4, The toy car rolls down the slope after being released in step 3. Its gravitational potential energy is converted into kinetic energy as it moves. The car collides with the domino tower that is supporting a hanging mast, knocking it over and causing the mast to fall. This falling motion activates an other pulley system. In this step, the gravitational potential energy of the car as the car being held on a high place and also in the inclined angles is released after the Jenga blocks blocking the car's way is being pulled away by the pulley system before and transferring it into kinetic energy as the car starts to slide down. And the kinetic energy transferring into mechanical energy after the car hit and knocking over the towering hanging masses and transferring this mechanical energy into another pulley system. In the final step, the last hanging mass loses its support and falls due to gravity. Gravitational potential energy is converted into kinetic energy as the mass falls. The falling mass pulls a rope connected to the light switch, reducing the amount of light in the room and completing the task.